Hello YouTubers, here we have this Casablanca Sabre 2. It's new in the box. I have all the nuts and hardware, but I just feel like doing the hang crew because I can't use it. My mount, the hang crew doesn't fit there because the bolt's in the way. But it is complete. Like I said, the hang crew's here, the capsule, the bottom part, all the screws, it's all new in the bag. Oh, there! I'm an idiot. I thought they didn't come with a halogen bulb. It did come with one. Oh, I'll keep this one then, since I put one on. I literally just got back from the store because I had to go buy two. So, cool. There we go. Either way, this is Sabre 2 in the black and brushed nickel. I have the owner's manual right here. It has all the warranty card and stuff. Like I said, original box. So, this has always just been sitting there. I just finally decided to get rid of it. Where is this? It is using a Versa Touch control. I love these controls because you know what? They're not smart controls. You have to program this, and you gotta program that to the same code, and it works actually each time. So either way, let's go ahead and start with the light. Nice and bright. Is it dim? It's halogen. Ah, it does dim. Very nice. All the way off. Let's go ahead and start off low speed. I believe this is the 52-inch model. 52 or 56, I don't know what size it is. Go ahead and go to medium speed. It's actually moving some good air already. I can feel them on the floor. Lastly, let's go to high speed. There's high speed. The fan works more off pitch than blades. Swing fast. But it's still moving quite a good amount of air actually. I'm not sure if the small is continued anymore, if they still make it. Like I said, this fan is new in box. I'm going to literally put everything back in the packaging. Just try and get rid of it. Probably put it on eBay, see what happens. Let's go ahead and do fan off. The remote control works perfectly. It does have the remote control does have a mount, so you can have it on a wall if you want. So, like I said, the glass is in good condition as you can see, and I put a new halogen bulb in it because I really overlooked the existing one somehow. How I did that? Either way. At least I'm going to keep the bulb in it that I have right now since I know this bulb works. Let's go ahead and demonstrate the light one more time. So you can dim it up. I can dim it up. This is a pretty bright light actually. And just straight off. Pretty good spin down. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys.